Which kitchen gloves are actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Kepi Disposable Gloves. First up, we have the Kepi 600-pack disposable food prep gloves. Priced at just $9.99, what caught my attention here is the bulk packaging. If you want a reliable disposable option for all your cooking needs, this is worth a serious look. These gloves are made from clear polyethylene, making them flexible yet tear-resistant. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're handling raw meats or fresh produce, you want to ensure hygiene without compromising on dexterity. With a 4.3-star rating and over 9,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate how easy they are to put on and take off, allowing for quick changes while cooking. Now, some users did mention that they can be a bit thin. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing light cooking or prepping, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. However, if you're handling something sharp or heavy, you might want to consider thicker options. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for large groups or events and need a cost-effective solution. Skip this one if you need gloves for heavy-duty tasks, but honestly, for everyday cooking and food prep, it's a solid choice. Product number 2, Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize durability, the Inspire Black Nitrile Disposable Gloves. Also priced at $9.99, these gloves caught my eye because of their heavy-duty design. Made from nitrile, these gloves are not just puncture-resistant. They're designed to handle the toughest jobs while giving you superb tactile sensitivity. That means you can chop veggies or handle delicate ingredients without losing grip. Rated 4.6 stars with over 7,600 reviews, these gloves are trusted by professionals across various fields. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're cooking frequently or handling potentially messy tasks, you want gloves that won't rip or tear easily. Some people found them a bit snug, especially if you have larger hands. But honestly, I think that snug fit is what gives you that excellent dexterity. If you have larger hands, just make sure to size up. This is perfect for you if you want gloves that can stand up to high-pressure cooking or cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter or more disposable, but for reliable use, they're worth every penny. Product number 3, Schneider Vinyl Synthetic Gloves. Now, if the snug fit of the Inspire gloves bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Schneider Vinyl Synthetic Exam Gloves. Priced at $7.73, they're a great option for those who prefer a looser fit. These gloves are latex-free and designed for a variety of tasks from cooking to cleaning. The 4mm thickness offers enough protection while still being flexible for food prep. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 27,700 reviews, these gloves are safe for those with latex allergies. Here's why this matters for you. If you're sensitive to materials, you definitely want gloves that won't irritate your skin. However, some users reported that they can tear when used for more demanding tasks. Here's the thing though, for everyday cooking and cleaning, they hold up just fine. If you're doing something that requires heavy lifting or sharp objects, you might want to consider a sturdier option. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, allergy-friendly option for light kitchen tasks. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty use, but for basic food prep, they're a no-brainer. Product number 4, Inspire Heavy-Duty Nitrile Gloves. Alright, let's get a bit tougher with the Inspire Heavy-Duty 6mm Nitrile Gloves. At $14.44, these gloves are tailored for those who need maximum protection without sacrificing dexterity. These gloves are designed for both medical and industrial use, so you know they mean business. The 6mm thickness provides excellent barrier protection while still allowing for a snug fit. With a 4.7-star rating from 15,600 reviews, professionals trust these for their durability. Here's why this matters for you. If you're regularly dealing with messy or hazardous ingredients, you need gloves that can protect you effectively. Now, some users mentioned that they might feel a bit stiff at first. But here's the deal, that stiffness translates to strength, and once you get used to them, you'll appreciate the reliability. This is perfect for you if you want a glove that can handle tough kitchen jobs while still being safe for food prep. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, but for heavy-duty tasks, these are hard to beat. Product number 5, Schneider Vinyl Gloves Alternative Size. Lastly, we have another option from Schneider, their vinyl synthetic exam gloves priced similarly at $7.73. This is just another size option for those who might need it, but they offer the same latex-free benefits. These gloves are versatile and can see you through any light to medium-duty tasks. Whether you're cleaning or prepping food, they provide a reliable barrier. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a flexible glove that allows for frequent changes, these are great. However, just like before, some users have mentioned that they can tear easily during more demanding tasks. But honestly, if you're using them for everyday cooking, they'll do the job just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, budget-friendly option that's easy to use. Skip this if you need something more durable, but for most home cooks, they're a solid choice. So there you have it, 5 great kitchen gloves, each with its own strengths. Whether you need disposable flexibility, heavy-duty protection, or something in between, there's a glove on this list for you. Choose wisely based on your cooking style and happy cooking.